Welcome back to another Block Squad video, and we have a bag of Toy Story toys. And if you didn't know, I love Toy Story. If you ever seen my room, have you ever seen my video called Toy Story 3 Indoors Part 1? Hit the subscribe button and watch that video right now. But don't skip this video because there is a lot of toys we love. Duke-a-Boom, I never showed this in a video. His figure does not come off. His helmet does not come off. His head twists. And that makes the wheel go. That makes like this back wheel go. But not this wheel. But it does turn like this, which is pretty cool. And I got a Buzz Lightyear. It's not my talking Buzz Lightyear, but they're pretty much the same thing. And we got two Woodies. He's my favorite character. So why wouldn't we include him? And we have a little bit of this. We have this Toy Story 4 car, and we're gonna go through a little bit of my big toys in a second. So this is my 1996 Talking Woody. His voice box does sound a little bit chunky.
There's a snake in my boot.
Yeah. And we got this Buzz Lightyear.
Everyone take cover.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff. And I'm going to show you my Toy Story shoes in just a second. And these are my Toy Story shoes. Aren't they cool? And let me go to my room in a second to show you where all my big Toy Story stuff is. So we have my Disney Parks Woody with a Divine Child voice box. Look at this. It works. And we have a couple more toys. So we can show you a toy I haven't showed you in a long time. It was one of the most popular toys I have. And I showed it in my Toy Story Skip Part 1 video, and that is Woody's friend. So this is what I was talking about when I said that he was gonna go to his friend's house, and this was his friend. And they had a cool science book with them. But we'll talk about that later on in the video. I have this huggable Lotso. Yeah. And let's get to some of the stuff in my Toy Story 4 collection. Now we have this little cute Buzz. This Duke-a-Boom. And this Bo Peep. Oh. And now we're showing some of the big stuff in my collection. have a Toy Story 4 Buzz Lightyear.
Greetings, I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
Yeah. It's probably the most popular Buzz in the world. But I have this gray Woody hat. I think it goes to my Woody's Roundup Woody, but my dog chewed up his hands. So yeah, he doesn't have hands. And we have a few more stuff. We have we have something that did show in my Toy Story Skid Part 1 video, and that is my 2010 Disney Store Woody. I tried to make a review of this Woody, but it just couldn't load. My files didn't load. Yeah. And then we're showing you my JCPenney Woody, and he doesn't even sell at JCPenney anymore. They replaced him with Toy Story 4 sets. This is the Woody I was talking about. Yeah. Most people don't have it because it doesn't sell at JCPenney anymore. And we're gonna show him with his hat on. This is from 1999 Toy Story 2 Woody doll at Disney on Ice. And now we're gonna show you my science book. I'm back, and I'm going to show you my science book. And last but not least, my head swapped 2024 Disney Store Woody update. Now, he doesn't have his voice box anymore, but he does have stuffing in him, so he's a little stuffed. But I will paint the hands in 2 weeks, so make sure I paint them. And now we're showing you my Disney Store Woody. This is another one of my Disney Store Woodies, besides the 2010 one, which he stuck like that. And goodbye.